this is for us. This is for us easy girls, you know? Not, we're not easy, you know what I mean? Like, let's not get crazy, but this is for us, like, we're not really going to ever win any awards doing our makeup, you know? It's for us. Hello friends, and welcome to another video. It's a little early. I'm tired. Today we're gonna do some hair. We're gonna do some makeup. I have not twisted my hair in forever. I twisted it once since like letting go of my braids. It did not work out well. And then I twisted it again and it's been in twist for like a day or so. So I'm gonna take them out and transform this into, you know, hopefully an afro. Who can say what we're really gonna get? And then I'm also gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna do just like a super chill, easy, you know, you don't have to be a beauty expert to achieve my everyday look. I feel like sometimes when people do everyday looks, I'm like, great, I'm glad you can look like that every day, but that looks like professional makeup artistry to me, and your girl does not have those skills. So if you are looking for some product ideas on what to use to get really glowing, beautiful, summery makeup, or you aren't great at makeup and you just want to do something that's really like easy and simple and look amazing, keep on watching. So my skin is clean because, you know, she showers, yay me. First thing I'm gonna do is this. It's from Caudalie. It is a beauty elixir. What does that mean? I don't know. However, I know that it makes my skin look amazing, and what it claims to do is to be something for smoothing, glowing complexion, and I really feel like it works. Like, look how much is gone. It's all the way down here. She's been in use. So we're gonna do that. There we go. Now that our skin is glowing and we look like we came from a loving home, now I'm gonna add some makeup. So I am a tried and true Laura Mercier fan. I live for this tint and moisturizer. I have two because I'm basically in between shades. The one shade is walnut and the other one is, what are you? Mocha. So I'm somewhere between these colors. This one's really dark. It's like my full-blown, like she's been on an island vibes. And then this one is like Winter Me, which now that I live in California, I'm just hoping that Winter Me doesn't even exist anymore. So I'm gonna mix these two. They do go on nicely with a brush and a beauty blender, but I'm gonna kind of be a little wild when I say this. I like it in my hand. These apply, and I don't know if it's because it's moisturizer, I'm not really sure, but these apply so nicely in your hand that like you kind of, one, you need way less product. It's weird, like rubbing it in, and it lets me like really mix the colors. Rubbing it in is just like so much better. And then I just basically do this. If I look to the side, it's because my mirror is on the side, and I said that before I opened my mirror, so like who are we really lying to, right? But it just goes on so freaking easy, you guys. It's like, wow, your face but better. Another thing that I like to do is to conceal. So I have not traditionally been the biggest and baddest concealer girl. I just haven't. I have the NARS one, which I'm digging for. Found her. Also been playing with the placement of my concealer. I know everybody does this big triangle, and I don't know that that's the best for my face. I kind of like it here. So see where I put it? I literally put it like almost half the triangle for the brighter color, a little bit there, a little down the nose. I'm going to switch colors because I use two. So the brighter one I'm putting there, and then I have another, this guy, same brand, just a darker shade. It's a little bit closer to my complexion, and I kind of like this one out here. So it's like it's a little more subtle. I don't know, it just looks really good. And then I put some here. I don't actually know why. I saw someone do it and then I did it and then it looked good, so like here we are. The crazy thing about makeup is practice makes perfect. Isn't it weird how life works that way? The fact that I even know anything is nothing short of a miracle. Pulling you in a little closer so that you can really see how just like natural and chill this is. I really like it. Now I am going to banana powder the concealer because I have learned that helps. It's a thing. So we're gonna do that. And we're not gonna go too crazy. We're looking in the mirror, sorry. Because you don't want your concealer to fall apart. Like, we didn't do these steps for nothing, you know what I mean? I'm going to use a liquid blush. I like this one from NARS. This is in the shade Hot Tin Roof, and it looks like this. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand because I've seen professionals do that. I'm using literally this much. Now, I know that this product goes on better with your hand, but for some reason, for accuracy, I'm better at it with the Beauty Blender. So I'm gonna take the round part and I literally start over here, and I almost use this liquid blush in the same way, like the place that you would put concealer. And I really like how that kind of turns out because it's a little bit dark and it just gives me kind of the right vibe. I actually need a little more. We were a little conservative with the pump because she is extreme. So we're not out here trying to clown it up. Just trying to give it ourselves a little glow. A little glow. So this is called Dose of Dew. It is from NYX and I am obsessed with it. It looks like this. So it's literally like a glow stick. And I freaking love how dewy this looks. It just adds this like reflective, wet vibe to your face in a highlighty kind of way. Like, oh, I hope this is really translating. Are you catching any? So if you're looking for like the wild, wow, see me from the stars type highlight, this is not for you. But if you like that like glowy, natural, is she just born with it? You know, maybe it's a glow stick type vibe. You don't have to blend it with the blender. I usually use my fingers when I'm trying not to touch too many things because, you know. But yeah. Do you see me? Oh, see, yeah. See, catch the light, catch the light. See it? We're doubling up on our dews, okay? So I like that dew stick because it doesn't really have color to it. But then NARS came out with this. It's the Orgasm palette, but it's in like a wet version. How did they do it? I don't know. This is flipping amazing. So it has all these really sick colors. I've tried, you can see the ones I've tried. My finger's been all up in there. Today I'm gonna use the pinky one because I just kind of want to add to the blush vibes. Which color is this? Oh, Super Orgasm. You know, girls gotta live, right? So I'm taking the Beauty Blender and I'm really just like twisting it in, and I'm gonna just put even more of that all over, and I'm putting it kind of higher than I put my blush just because, you know, I don't actually know why. I'm just doing it that way. I was gonna give you a reason, but like, what's gonna be a lie? Like, do we need to lie to each other? You know, we've been through so much. So, something that I've been doing recently is just drawing weird lines on my eyes. It's something that I've done actually for a while. Well, I did a long time ago, I should say, and it's really come back and become like a trend. It's not something I made up. I'm not claiming that. So I'm taking this purple color. It's from Urban Decay. It's called Alkaline. Looks like this. And I'm going to just draw a line. So the trend is like to go not on your lid, to go above, which for the hooded eye set is a win. Like the hooded eye set is really winning. So I'm just gonna kind of draw a random line starting at my crease and kind of just going straight out to BH. So I think I'm just gonna go literally straight out and kind of go up, because we don't want lines on the eyes going down. That's just a recipe for disaster. Consider this like the, I don't know, remedial class for eyeliner. So I kind of like that one. I don't know if I can get it to match. And then also see, like me lifting my eye up, my hood is covering it. So I'm just gonna leave my eyes like at their regular height. What am I even talking about? And try to get it so that we can actually see the purple when my eyes open. That's fun. Like this? We like it, we hate it, we're not sure. Let's see if I can recreate. We started here. We went straight out. Then we sort of lost our way. Wow, this one's cooler. I already like this better. We lost our way on the other one. Is it okay to have two different ones? I feel like it is. I feel like it is. Then we go, oh, I ruined it. JK. The other thing that I like about these is like, you can ruin them and it's fine. Now it's like sort of blurred, which is also cool. Should I blur this one? Should I leave it alone? I think we should blur it. Kind of like that. I think I'm into this. It's almost like winged shadow, but like above where it's supposed to be. Kind of cool. Add a little more. Brows are done. I'm adding mascara. My brows are a little thick. They might be a little aggressive. Do you guys curl your lashes? I had them curled recently when I was doing a shoot for someone, and it made such a difference. And now I think I've been missing out on curling my lashes all this time, which is ridiculous. Like, why don't I do that? So if you have a recommendation for your favorite eyelash curler, please leave it below, because your girl needs help. For my lips, I think I'm gonna use this orange since we're doing kind of a summery vibe. This is from L'Oreal, and I don't know, this is lip, nope, that's not a color. I don't know what color this is, my friend. Oh wait. This is called I Achieve. The number is 420, it's from L'Oreal. So you may be saying to yourself, but Kel, your makeup's pretty much done and you still look a hot mess. That's because my hair's not done. So let's go ahead and get that done. This is gonna be easy. We're just gonna put some coconut oil on our hands and unravel my twist. I'm gonna give her a little bit of air boost with my Dyson blow dryer, and hopefully in like 30 seconds we'll be transformed. Look, hopefully she went from not to hot. Was really like chill, glowy. Are we glowing? I think we are. Summery makeup. Hair is like giving you kind of just fun little summer vibes. It's basically like, you know, I'm out here, you know, there's palm trees, there's sunshine, we're doing it. So yeah, that's the look du jour. I popped on these really cute earrings. Where did I get them from? I'll link them below, and I'll link this top as well. It's like this cute polka dot little wrap situation. It's like this cute polka dot wrap situation. I'll link it, you'll see. But yeah, that is it. I'll also list all the products that I use down below, just so you aren't like feverishly trying to write things down or rewinding. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun to do. I haven't done a video like this in a really long time. If you want more videos like this, let me know and I will do my very best to accommodate your needs. That's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Love you, mean it. Bye.